Hey viewers, welcome to Deft Designer. I am Sumam and this is my first video on this channel. So I will be bringing most interesting and useful tutorials based on Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So make sure you subscribe to our channel now. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you could make this flat design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, open the Adobe Illustrator and now after opening I'm going to tell you that I'm going to use shortcuts in this video. So most shortcut will be this Control V and F for paste, and you could find this in edit option. And for direct selection and selection tool, I'm going to use V and A. So first of all, I'm going to create a sky. So choose the foreground color, double clicking on it and choose the sky color. So make sure you have set the outline to none. Now after that you have to choose the rectangular tool and drag it to make something like it. Now I have to lock it, press Ctrl 2 to lock it. Now you could see you can't move it this. So after that you have to choose the rectangle tool for making the ground, and here I am choosing the green color, and for making it you have to simply drag your mouse and create a rectangle like this. Now you have to choose the direct selection tool and drag the corners to make a rounded like this. So after that choose the polygon tool, click once and set the sides to 3 and click OK to create a triangle like this. So I am choosing the color to the brown so to make a hill, and now press Shift and Alt key on the keyboard and drag the mouse to create a triangle larger, and use the selection tool to move your object on the screen. And now I am going to copy and paste it. Press Ctrl C and F to copy. As you can see, it's duplicate. Now I am increasing the value of the color to more darker, and now use the selection tool, and you have to choose the direct selection tool. Press A on the keyboard and drag the corners to make it something like this. So now you have to group all this. Simply drag the mouse and right click and select the group. And now as you can see, if you are holding the direct selection tool, even if this is grouped, the shapes will be moved. So you make sure you have chosen the selection tool and not a direct selection tool. So select the selection tool, and from here you could easily move your shape. So place the shape on this green rectangle, and now simply press Alt on the keyboard and drag it to make a duplicate of this mountain. So you could simply select it and press Shift and Alt key and resize it by dragging with the corners, as you can see. So it's really simple. So after that I'm going to make a sun. So here I am choosing the ellipse tool and choosing the bright orange color. So you could choose as per your want, whatever color you are happy with. And now press Shift and Alt key and drag the mouse to create a perfect circle like this. So you have to copy it, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste it. And now I am changing the color of one of its circle to the yellow color like this, so that you could get a shape like this. Use the arrow keys to adjust one of its circle. So this is the sun. So after that I am going to group this again, and using the selection tool you can easily move it wherever you want, as you can see. So that's it. Now it's time to make the clouds. So let's see how you could make a cloud. So select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, and I am changing the foreground color to white, and press Shift and Alt key on the keyboard and drag it to make a perfect circle. And now while selecting the direct selection tool, you have to simply press Alt and keep dragging like this, so that you could make a cloud like this. Now select all of these objects and click on the Pathfinder, and you have to choose the first option called Unite to make it into the one single shape. So as you can see, you could easily drag it by pressing Alt key, and you could make duplicate of it. So by easily you could make duplicates, and you could also resize if you want using the corners and sides, and simply press Alt and drag to make the duplicate. So if you want to move backward or forward this cloud, right click on the cloud and go to the arrange, and as you can see I'm going to use the shortcuts shift control bracket or shift control shift bracket. So as you can see, by using these shortcuts you could move backward or forward the objects. So that's it, you're free to arrange the objects as per your want. So it's time to export. Click file, export, and go to export as, and after that you have to choose the name and choose your format. So here I'm choosing the JPEG format and click on the export. So here I'm choosing the quality as maximum and click OK, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, friend. I will be coming with more exciting tutorials in future, so make sure you subscribe to our channel now. So that's all in this video, friend. I will see you in the next video.